trouble finding sleep at night? Or does your lack of conscience tell you everything's alright? I trust your good intentions that you're watching